Yo, check this out. What's up? It's your boy DB Live in the building. You're sitting here with Marketing with Dom. I'm actually at the beach here in San Diego, California. Appreciate you for watching this, but the title of this is straight up OnlyFans fighting for freedom of girls in the industry or something like that. Probably is something around there if you're watching the video. I don't know what I'm going to name it first, but here's the point. Throughout history of the adult industry, there's been people tricking, being in-betweeners, faking out girls, taking their content, slashing all over the internet. So therefore, the adult industry has been bashed by the girls who truly actually enjoy it, and they've been created other slave girls to the money based off of this guy or girl or person who's like, what I can consider like that leader or the person, your manager, who tells you when or where you actually are able to shoot content and if you get a video. So like all your money depends on this person. OnlyFans is changing the game on that. You no longer need a person in between you and the cash flow. Right? And that's why I started managing, because I was like, man, I don't have to be a dick. I could be a really cool guy. I could just show them the skills of marketing to be a media manager. And I manage media, so marketing, helping you grow, and then investing the money that you should back into your business to get to people who I've had make even over from 5 to 10 and to the highest $27,000 a month. Like, yeah, $27,000 a month is crazy. It took her a while to get there, and it was a lot of hard work, but think about how life-changing that is. It's the freedom and opportunity that you get straight to consumer if that decides to be where you go. So that's why I'm just like, man, being able to chill at the beach, have a good day, having some of my girls be able to kill it on the internet, change their lives, take trips, travel around, meet people, do their thing, and it's because of this platform. And I'm not saying that you should or should not do this. I'm not saying you should run for cash for this, but if you were going to build a business in the adult industry or in the modeling industry, because models are doing it just with exclusive photos, so don't get it twisted. Some of the girls are just going really sexy photos, spending them for $4 or $5 to a couple thousand people. Come on. Say no more, no less. All right, so if you follow this page, make sure you subscribe bottom to the bottom. Please make sure you leave a comment, tell me how you're feeling. And if you're looking for a manager in your OnlyFans game, somebody just help you with your media to help you. I'm not managing all your shit. I just do all the media, make sure you grow, show you how to get it, how to start increasing your monthly income. Hit your boy up. Click on the link down below or text me at the number down below, and just get a hold of me and let's get it popping. But OnlyFans is changing people's lives, guys and girls, changing their lives. I'll see you on the other side. Make sure you keep smiling, keep grinding every single day.